Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Sun coin using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section. And at the wallet section, on the top of the screen, you should see these four buttons, the send, receive, buy, and swap buttons. Now, if you want to get Sun coin, you can either buy them or receive them. So just tap on the one that you choose. And in the search bar, just start typing in Sun, and it's going to pop up. And when you tap on it, TrustWallet is going to generate your own personal QR code. And with this QR code, you can start receiving Sun coin in your Trust Wallet. You can also use this QR code to scan it for yourself. If you have coins in different wallet, you can transfer them to your Trust Wallet as well. You can also use the copy icon, which is going to copy your Trust Wallet address, and you can use that for transactions as well. The second icon is a very interesting feature where you can type in an exact amount of coins, Sun coins, let's say 974, and when you tap on confirm, TrustWallet is going to generate a new QR code for you. And with this new QR code, you can receive this exact amount of coins, 974, which is a great way for transactions or payments where you actually need to receive an exact amount. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.